Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today episode will be about ribs. I'll show you how I prepare ribs. A very simple recipe and so delicious, spicy, excellent recipe. I hope you enjoy. For today's recipe I will use 2 rags of ribs, pork ribs. I just wash my baby ribs. Extra fat. And next step, I will tenderize the meat. I use organic apple cider. Just wrap both sides. On each rib, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and let's go stand for 1 hour. Next step, I wrap the meat, and for wrap I use salt, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and bay leaves, and brown sugar 2 tablespoons, tablespoon of red paprika, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, Cayenne pepper I have a tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, and the sugar 1 tablespoon. Yes, next dry wrap. Next step, I will wrap ribs with my dry wrap. I just prepare. On the top, 2 bay leaves for extra flavor. Now I will cover ribs with the foil. Shiny part of the foil is on the top. Next step, I will bake the oven for about 2 hours, 350 degrees. Ribs in the oven at 250 degrees, and I will keep for 2 more hours. 11:49. 2 hours later, let me check my ribs. The ribs looks beautiful. See, the bone is out. It's beautiful and soft. Excellent. And next step, I will broil for 5 minutes. And the ribs will be done. Before broil, I have to remove juice because I don't need it, and I will base with barbecue sauce. I will base ribs with 2 barbecue sauce today. I use this brand, pretty spicy. I will base both sides and broil for 5 minutes. Perfect. And just 5 minutes in the oven. The ribs looks perfect. Now it's time to turn another side and baste with barbecue sauce. Yummy. Ribs other side, and it's done. And I will broil for 5 more minutes and we'll be done. Wow, it smells so good and so delicious. Wow, the ribs done. If you like this video, make sure to give me thumbs up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. See you soon.